Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you don't chase symptoms. Check your device OS version and region. The store filters apps by country. Sign into the correct store account and verify Google Pay is supported for your device. Once done, disable VPN or proxy because network routing can hide country data and block listings. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or cellular data, then force close the App Store and reopen it to begin the next steps. You now perform the more detailed fixes that resolve most display issues. Clear the store cache or app data to remove stale listings, then restart the App Store. If Google Pay still doesn't appear, switch the store region or sign out and back into the account tied to your payment profile. Make sure your OS and store app are updated because incompatibilities often hide apps. Once updates finish, search Google Pay again and check for an install or download option. You finish by getting Google Pay installed or escalating correctly. If the store still won't show it and you're on Android, sideload the official APK only after verifying signatures and permissions. Avoid unknown sources. If that feels risky, contact the store support with device model, OS version, and screenshots so they can investigate. As a final troubleshooting step, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears deep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.